this is going to hurt. This is going to be painful. You're going to have to send me a bill for therapy after this, but if you pay attention, if you let this resonate with you, if you allow this to change your process and change your life, I guarantee you, you will make, let's call it $1 million more in additional income over the course of your career. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to think back to your childhood. And I want you to think about that person or multiple people, we've all had them, that bullied you, that picked on you, that harassed you when you were a kid. It hurts, doesn't it? Mine's name was Will Dawson. Will, if you're out there, Easton Training Center, Denver, Colorado, come on, I'd love introduction class in jiu-jitsu. I'll give you a month membership on me for free, just so I can get on the mats with good old Will Dawson, the guy who wrapped my head in duct tape. Ooh. If you're looking for a way to ruin somebody's life, wrap their head in duct tape in front of all the kids in school and watch them try and get the duct tape out. It doesn't work. You'll be bald. I digress. Why am I telling you this? Why am I telling you to feel that pain of being harassed, being bullied, being pestered, being pressured? I'm telling you that because about 45% of the training, of the sales coaching, of the sales practices are out there, almost half of the sales coaching is teaching you to be what? Will Dawson is teaching you to be a bully, and not a physical bully, not an emotional bully, but an intellectual bully. Y'all need to stop intellectually bullying your clients. What does that sound like? It sounds like this. You know, I really like everything, Jordan, but we got to think about it. Hey, when I hear we need to think about it, it typically means one of two things. Either you don't have the authority to make the decision, or there's something that I haven't told you. Which one is it for you? All of these clever, witty comebacks to things like, I need to think about it, we need more time, is just you being an intellectual bully. You think you're going to outsmart somebody. That ain't cool, okay? I just did a major interview with the network right now, and we talked about this very thing. It's not cool. It's not helping you get sales. And the sales, God forbid, that you do get from putting that much pressure on somebody, from intellectually bullying somebody, no good deed goes unpunished. It's called karma. If I pressure Nancy into signing her team up with Easton University and I make her feel stupid or ignorant, or like she just has to make a decision right now, she's going to end up canceling down the road. And she's going to tell a bunch of other people not to do business with me, okay? So stop it with those clever things. Stop it with the you got to buy right now. Stop it with the what do I need to do to get your business? That is still intellectual bullying. Go ahead, Bob.
How about can't you afford it? Remember those?
Right, yeah.
Back in the day.
Intellectual bullying. If you got a deal, what do you mean you can't afford it, right? If you got a deal that way, it was despite the fact that you did that. And it's not cool. I don't want you gals to feel like you have to take a shower when you get home from work.